If the doctor told to the patient that he has to live 6 months to 1 year, of course the tendency the patient will refuse the diagnosis and will not believe, and he will ask for the second opinion and third opinion of the doctor. And the second is anger. He have under rage and dilemma. Small things he will shout and call this always have the we call this a mood always moody, and small things will be angry and not always in the mood, and it is always loneliness face, not ever smiling. And then the third is bargaining. It's like the patient will talk to the doctor that if he can prolong his life, whatever the other treatments that he should do, so that the cancer will be cured or will prolong his life. And another thing is the fourth, depression. Of course, the patient who knows that he will live for 6 months and 1 year is really depressed, and it's like that he can't accept it. Especially if the patient wants to live longer for his family and for his children. And number 5 is acceptance. The caregiver should help the patient to understand that death is imminent and encourage and discussion of previous experience that the caregiver has handling. And of course, the caregiver will encourage the family and the relatives or children, the family, how they will comfort the patient who have cancer, who have 6 months to live only and 1 year to live. So in this case, the patient soon will accept that that all of us will die, and he will accept it from his heart. And of course, we have to support him mentally, physically, and also spiritually. And of course, you have to bring the patient in the place where he wants to go, or whatever he wants, or what is his last will and testament, last will that he wants to do, last will that he will give to his family when he died.